song from Three Idiots. The song carries a meaningful message that life is not all about exams, studies and marks. Every child during the budding stage has a hidden scientist in him. As they grow, this creativity and curiosity is being suppressed and purely they are becoming bookish. But in reality, these inborn talents should be encouraged so that they become an outstanding personality and become unique in their own way. So now let's welcome the kids of 3rd standard for the song, Give Me Some Sunshine, Give Me Some Rain. Give me another chance, I wanna grow up once again.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। ना 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 sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance, I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance, I wanna grow up once again.
कंधों को किताबों के बोझ ने झुकाया, रिश्वत देना तो खुद पापा ने सिखाया। 99% मार्क्स लाओगे तो घड़ी वरना छड़ी, लिख लिख कर पड़ा हथेली पर अल्फा बीटा गामा का छाला। कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 ने पूरा पूरा बचपन जला डाला।
बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। ना 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 ना। Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance, I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance, I wanna grow up once again. Na 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 na
which the staff of Rainbow has really put in all their efforts since a month, selecting the songs, getting the children practice for the dancers, the dance teachers, the people who have gone out shopping for their costumes, the teachers who have taken all the trouble in practicing those dances. They have done a great job, ladies and gentlemen, and the kids have given their best in these 2 days, and they have shown a lot of energy. They have lots and lots of energy which needs to be tracked up, which needs to be put on the right track to make them the future citizens of this country. India should be proud of these little children. Thank you and good night.